From smart home essentials to futuristic devices, get ready to discover the next level of innovation. There's a lineup of exciting Amazon products waiting for you. Musin CyberCube Pro Bluetooth Speaker RGB LED Light. The vivid RGB LED lights of the Musin CyberCube Pro Bluetooth speaker pulse and sparkle in time with music, creating a cyberpunk-themed experience. The bass-boosted performance offers a variety of color-changing themes to provide a lively mood for user celebration. The Bluetooth speaker and gradient lights work well together to create a perfect atmosphere. The integrated fidget spinner, which was inspired by a spaceship design, offers a special touch that helps users let go of anxious energy and lessen tension and anxiety. With a weight of only 245 grams and a design that fits in any pocket, this speaker is perfect for one-handed use and ensures mobility without sacrificing performance. The CyberCube Pro's Bluetooth 5.0 technology enables quick and dependable pairing with any Bluetooth-enabled device. With a wireless range of up to 32 feet, users can place their devices anywhere they want for the best possible audio quality. The Musin CyberCube Pro Bluetooth speaker will enhance their enjoyment of both music and visual content. Woobin X3 Mini Rechargeable Flashlight. With its simple controls, the Woobin X3 Mini Rechargeable Flashlight provides a wide range of functions. To lock or unlock the device for the first time, users will have to press and hold the switch key 4 times in sequence. Press and hold the switch once to cycle between the low 1 lumen, medium 50 lumens, and high 150 lumens settings in everyday mode. With 3 accessible gears, the mode may be closed with a single click. Users can press the switch twice to activate the red light mode. They can then vary the brightness from 1 to 80 lumens by long pressing the switch. They can also try toggling off the red light mode with another click. Double-clicking the switch will quickly activate high brightness mode, producing a strong 700 lumens of light. This mode may be closed with 1 click. It is simple to switch on the strobe mode in an emergency by just clicking the button 3 times. A long push raises the flash frequency when in strobe mode, and a click ends the mode. A rechargeable flashlight with a versatile design for usage in a range of scenarios is the Woobin X3 Mini. Divoom TimesGate Cyberpunk Digital Clock. More than simply a clock, the Divoom TimesGate Cyberpunk Digital Clock combines cutting-edge technology with creative expression. Its 5 full-color LCD monitors, which are inspired by cyberpunk aesthetics, including eye-catching 128 by 128 pixel graphics and animated GIFs, producing a visual fiesta that transforms users' workplace or gaming space. Users may let their imagination run wild by making digital dials and screen patterns with smart app control. It's more than just a pretty desktop ornament. It's an intelligent life aid. A global clock, real-time weather updates, and holiday calendars are just a few examples of useful dials that help users stay organized and manage their time. Going one step further, the intelligent data dials provide virtual assets for complete insights, such as market exchange rates, social media followers, and individual gaming statistics. Users may add text, dynamic images, and other elements to customize their display using the Pixel Art Playground feature. They can easily personalize their TimesGate and transform it into a canvas that expresses their style and creativity with the help of a large collection of regularly updated pixel art designs. Beyond its eye-catching RGB LED display, the TimesGate is a remarkable complement to digital existence since it represents the harmonious fusion of life and technology. Viture One XR AR Glasses and Neckband Bundle. The Viture One XR AR Glasses and Neckband Bundle is a state-of-the-art set that transforms digital life. With an Android-based operating system and a robust 3200 mAh battery, the neckband is a dependable companion to the Viture One XR glasses. It functions as a portable computer worn around the neck. With access to all your favorite applications, it turns into a necessary traveling partner for all your computing demands. With the PS Play and Xbox Play optimization, the neckband is the ideal companion for cloud gaming. With a reliable Wi-Fi or 5G connection, users can now play their favorite AAA games nearly anywhere in the globe. Even if they leave their consoles at home, they won't ever miss a gaming moment with this bundle, which also includes these beloved third-party console streaming applications. Customizable screen size is a unique feature of the Viture One XR glasses. Users may freely reposition and change the screen size with the neckband, giving them a customized visual experience. Also, They may engage with the environment around them and still view their favorite material by minimizing the virtual display to the corner thanks to the novel ambient mode. If you enjoyed this journey through innovation, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe